Good morning. So I'm here at another marketplace. I'm gonna take you guys to go walk around, try to see what's going on in this marketplace. It seems like it's a little bit smaller one, or neither that, or I'm just a little bit here early. So let's go take a walk together. So they just barely open. I'm like 2 minutes in here after they open. There's some mushrooms and honeys, and these are flowers, $20 the bouquet. Is that what they call it? Bouquet? How you doing? We got some gateway to India. I got some food location here, so I'm glad I came early because they're about to set up a band or some music thing here. So I'm not sure if the place is really, I'm not sure if the place is small or they just not a lot of people are here yet. Look at that. I always like that. It looks always cool. Remind me of the Thailand scene.